How to save Twitch streams on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to save Twitch streams on phone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Twitch app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Twitch app. Once you have updated your Twitch app, simply open it, and then once you have opened it, click on your profile found on the upper left corner, and then go to Settings. Once you're here, go to Help and Legal, and choose the very last option, which is Terms of Service. And then wait for it to load, and click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, and go to the bottom of the page and make sure to click on Browse. So once you click Browse, this page will appear. So make sure first to log in by clicking on the Login button right here on the upper right. And then once you have logged in, you may now zoom in your screen and click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Settings. Wait for it to load and zoom out a little bit and go to Channel and Videos. Once you have clicked Channel and Videos, click on the three lines found on the upper left corner and click on Stream. Once you have clicked Stream, click again the three lines so that it will be closed, and scroll down and look for the VOD settings. So under VOD settings, make sure to turn on Store Pass Broadcast, and then that's it. That's how you can save your Twitch streams on phone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.